What's up? All right, so I have the Poly Voyager Legend 50, and you can adjust the noise block settings through the PolyLens mobile app. I tried to do it via the PolyLens desktop app, but I couldn't find it. So in the PolyLens mobile app, you have the options within the settings. You go to advanced, and then you're going to find closed conversation limiting, and then you're going to have no noise block. You're going to have AI noise block, and you're going to have UC noise block. So I'm going to see what the difference is between them in terms of the microphone performance. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a video by Lars Berlau. It's the Moving Teams to AOSPDM, or the Android Open Source Project Device Management. And we're going to see if there's a difference. So currently I have it set to no noise block. And so now let's play the video in the background there. So here, I'm going to show you it's quiet in here right now.
Going in through the
All right, so there's the video playing in the background. And so this is what it would sound like if you were using the Poly Voyager Legend 50 and you had no noise block setting. Now we have changed it over to AI noise block. And so again, quiet room. So now there's video playing in the background. So this is what it would sound like if you were using the Poly Voyager Legend 50 and you had AI noise block turned on. Now I've switched it over to UC noise block. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager Legend 50 and you had the close conversation limiting setting to UC noise block. Now I'm in a Microsoft Teams meeting. I have voice isolation turned on, and I wanted to see if this impacted the performance of the Poly Voyager Legend 50. So I'm going to play Lars' video in the background.
and AOSP device management or authentication.
Now there's a video playing in the background. So Lars is talking in the background. And just because, I'm going to flip on this doggone blender. All right, so now there's a video in the background, and there's Lars, and then there's a blender running in the background as well. And so this is what it would sound like if you were using the Legend 50 with someone talking in the background and a blender running in the background. All right, so there you go. There's a quick demonstration of the close conversation limiting settings within PolyLens mobile app for the Poly Voyager Legend 50. Hopefully Lars doesn't mind if I use his video for this demonstration. I'll include a link to his channel in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe. He has a lot of great content around Microsoft Teams. Let me know if you heard a difference between those three settings, if you heard a difference between the voice isolation and Teams. Let me know in the comments below if it made a difference and what you think about the Poly Voyager Legend 50. And if you have any other questions, reach out to us. All our contact information is going to be somewhere. And as always, if you like this type of content, follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel.